Darling, you send me, I know you send me.
Today I'm sharing with you guys my favorite golden milk recipe. It is a potent anti-inflammatory drink that I love having before bedtime. So let's get started, shall we? First ingredient you'll need is 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk or any milk that fits your dietary preference, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This will help the body absorb turmeric. About 1 inch of fresh chopped ginger, or you can use 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and about 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, which will help activate the turmeric as well. For sweetener, I'm using about a tablespoon of raw honey, but you can use any type of sweetener that fits your lifestyle. In a pan, I'm going to boil my almond milk. This will take about 5 minutes on high heat. And then I'll go ahead and add in all of my ingredients. Once you have all of your ingredients in the pan, you can go ahead and whisk this on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. And a quick tip that I have for you guys is to let the golden milk cool down a little bit before you add raw honey if that is the sweetener you're using. The reason why is because the heat will kill the antioxidant properties of the raw honey. When that's all done, just transfer it into a mug and don't make a complete mess like I did. And that's it, you guys. Very easy and quite delicious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Let me know in the comments down below if you try it and what you think. I hope you all have a fabulous day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.